Hello guys, in this lecture series on electrical science, I will explain different methods to analyze the electrical circuits in different conditions. But before starting the methodology, let me discuss why this course is relevant and very important for all the engineering students irrespective of their specialization so that they can design any device that use electricity. So, if I talk about the electrical and electronics engineer. So it's obvious that because they need to analyze the complete circuit, so learning circuit analysis is important to design and analyze an electronic device and electrical machines by calculating voltages and currents flowing through different branches of the circuit, and also for determining circuit parameters such as resistance, capacitance, and inductance. For the civil engineers, electronic sensors and monitoring systems are used to monitor the health of buildings, bridges, and other structures. Sensors are also used to monitor the quality of air and water, noise level, and ground vibrations. Understanding circuit analysis can help civil engineers comprehend the behavior of these sensors and ensure their proper functioning. If we talk about mechanical engineers, so mechanical engineers use circuits when designing motors, sensors, and control systems that regulate and monitor mechanical processes such as robotics and automation. For the computer science engineers, it helps in designing computer devices, smart devices, IoT system, etc. For the biotechnology and bioinformatics engineers, fundamental concept of electrical science may help them in designing devices that may help for the prevention, diagnosis, and treatment of disease, for patient rehabilitation, and for improving health. Overall, all the engineers use different machines that run on electricity. To operate these machines without causing any damage, one should be able to understand different electrical specifications mentioned in the booklet provided with the machine. For example, if we look at a very simple example of our mobile phone, while using a mobile charger to charge a mobile phone, most people just check if the mobile charger is inserted well in the mobile phone or not. They ignore checking the specifications, especially the current output of the charger. If the current output of the charger happens to be far more than what a mobile phone can handle, then using this charger to charge mobile phone may damage the mobile phone. So, to make engineers from different background aware about basic understanding of the electrical circuit, in this lecture series, I am going to start with the details and working of the fundamental components of the circuit. I will discuss the different methods used to analyze the circuit for the voltage and current flowing in different components, and this analysis it will be done on the basis of three conditions. The first condition, it will be when we supply the DC sources, that is when we supply constant voltage or current source to our circuit. So what is the behavior and how we analyze the circuit in the condition when the constant voltage or the current supply is there. So for that we are going to do all the analysis. In the second condition, we are going to check for the transient analysis, means what happened when we switch on or off the voltage or the current source. So how our circuit behaves when we just switch on the power supply or when we just switch off the power supply. So how the circuit reacts. And the third condition is the AC analysis, means how the circuit behaves when we provide the AC sources to the circuit. AC source means the voltage and the current sources whose value or the amplitude changes with time. And at the end, I am going to discuss about the power in the AC circuit So how we can evaluate different powers, what is the meaning of these different powers. So stay tuned with me to learn all these concepts in detail. You can post your questions and comments in the YouTube message box. Do subscribe my channel and share the link of my channel with your friends and colleagues. Thank you.